My name is Pauline Hankins. I am currently serving as the juvenile judge here in Brunswick County for juvenile court. I handle all of the abuse, neglected, dependency, delinquent, and undisciplined matters. I also preside over a monthly session of criminal court wherein I handle all of the truancy matters, the school attendant violation cases. We start that day with truancy court at 9 a.m. We bring in stakeholders to talk to the parents who have been noticed to come to truancy court. It is these parents who have children that have missed at least 10 unexcused absence from school. We talk with them collectively about the importance of their children attending school. We give the benefits of school, from obtaining their high school diploma, being able to get a better job, to being able to find something creative to do in school, learning, have an opportunity for their brain to properly develop while they're in school. We also do in truancy court talk about the negative consequences of their children not attending school. We talk about the data, the statistics that shows that children who fail to attend school more likely will drop out of school once they turn 16. And then what happens whenever a child drops out of school? That there is an increased probability of them ending up in the legal system, them facing incarceration. And so we try to motivate them, educate them, inspire them to send their child to school. Not just send their child to school, but to make sure their child arrives to school on time and to remain in school until the end of the day. We bring in different stakeholders. We have someone from the district attorney's office. We have someone from the schools, several individuals from the school system. We have the social workers and the social worker supervisor, Meredith Lord, who will appear, organize that whole truancy court. And we all speak, and at the end of the truancy court, I normally give the final speech, the final spiel for getting their children to school. Again, we talk about the consequences of not going, and I always conclude with warning the parents that the next step in the process would be the filing of a warrant for the criminal offense of school attendance violation. And I warned them that they could face 120 days in jail. That if they are convicted for sending their child to school, that I have, in times past, I have given parents an active sentence for school attendance violation. And I've also went so far as to say that there have been a couple of cases where the child was left as a dependent juvenile when the parent faced incarceration. And then I've had to, which necessitated me getting the Department of Social Service involved, taking custody until the parents was released from incarceration. So what we normally do in Truancy, we lay out all of the consequences of what could happen if the child continued to miss school, including, again, active jail time. And then from there, we go right into our regular session of criminal court. We allow parents to sit in the courtroom to see what really happens during a criminal session of district court, whereby we have on the docket those cases with parents who have been charged. I think we've done a great job here in Brunswick County working together to enforce school attendance. With the state of North Carolina, the county, we have individuals here who are providing parenting classes for our parents that will also speak. And so a lot of what we've done, I do believe, has worked. There are some things that have obviously not worked. We still have truancy, but I do know that it has been, there has been improvement. So thank you all.